First of all, I don't know who the fuck. Hello? Hello? I know they ain't just hang up on me.
Comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell.
Do you know how angry I get when I'm on the phone arguing with someone and they just hang up on me? Like, excuse me? First of all, I don't even like to argue. Second of all, if I'm arguing with you, you gonna hear what I have to say because I don't like to argue and you poke the bear. Like, it's real rude if we in the middle of an argument and you just hang up on me. First of all, I didn't hang up on you. I'm listening to what you have to say. Why you gotta hang up on me? Because my words hurt? I'm just fighting with my words, so take it. But let me tell you something about me. I'm the type of person that you hang up on me, I'm gonna call you back just to hang up. Do you know how many times I've done that to people? Let me just say growth is a beautiful thing, but do you know how many times like I'll be arguing with someone and they'll just hang up on me and then I'll call them back. They be like, what is that? Click! They don't even get to finish my name by the time I'm done. And then they'll sometimes text me like, really? You deadass only just called me back to hang up? Yes! Yes, I did, because it was very rude of you to hang up on me and not let me finish my message. Now, granted, maybe they think, oh, let me hang up to like kind of de-escalate it. No, don't de-escalate it, because now I'm just going to be sitting here mad that you hung up on me without a warning. Like, how'd you be like, you know what, Rosetta? I'm going to hang up on you because da-da-da. That's different. But if we are in the middle of a heated argument over the phone and you hang up on me, oh, you just got me that much more angrier. Now I just want to do so much little petty things, but like I said, growth, because I don't argue anymore. I really don't. Thank you, God. Like, I couldn't tell you the last time I got into like a real good argument. But if you argue with me on the phone and you hang up on me, ooh, I'm definitely gonna call you back and click. I wish I had a flip phone so I can just on your ass, just flip it on your ass. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell so you can get my notifications. I'm late per usual. I just wasn't there mentally, and I'm so sorry. And plus, like, I wasn't there mentally, and my laptop charger broke on me, so I had to wait to get a new one. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.